Hello everyone, today is the 29th of April 2025 and I decided to bring this YouTube channel back from the dead. By the time this YouTube video will be up, it will be my last day of holidays from work and my unemployment will officially begin. But first of all, before I get to any of that, I think I owe an explanation and perhaps an apology to the poor souls that after 9 years are still following this YouTube channel. I don't know if you guys are still here and what you're doing, but I'm gonna get to that in a second. So some of the people that have known me more recently might not know this, but about 9 years ago I went to the United States as an exchange student with AFS Intercultura, and I used to vlog my experience here on YouTube. There were about 5 videos, more or less, I believe, and after that, I just suddenly disappeared. One day I didn't see anything, there were no more videos, nowhere to be found, Felice wasn't there anymore. So what happened? As I was making those videos, I realized that the entire process of recording them, but especially editing them, was really, really long. I also wasn't really smart because I was making 20, 30 minute long videos, which of course take a lot of work. So I just decided that it was more important to live in the moment and prioritize my experience there and being really present than going after YouTube. But those videos are still up there. I hid them from general view because I didn't want things to be mixed with what I'm about to do next. But if you have the link to them and the links are hidden somewhere, you can still find them. They're still out there. So since the old days of my US vlogs, a few things have happened. I completed my year abroad. I went back to Italy to finish high school. I moved to the Netherlands actually to do first a bachelor and then to work for a couple of years. And then that brings us here to this empty apartment somewhere in Utrecht, where I'm about to hand the keys in to the landlady that's gonna come in any second now. This brings me now to the reason why this YouTube channel is alive again, and of which I'm really, really excited, because in a couple of days I'll be hopping on Mira, which is the name of my Suzuki V-Strom 650, that's my motorbike, and I'm gonna be traveling across Europe and beyond. The route I'm gonna be following is going to be through Germany. I'm gonna cross the Alps, I'm going to cross all the Balkans, over the Bosphorus Strait. I'm going to follow the northern coast of Turkey, and then I'm going to reach the Caucasus, and the furthest point I plan to hopefully reach, we'll see if we get there, is the coast of Baku in Azerbaijan. And after that I will have to travel all the way back. So I do think it is a pretty ambitious journey, especially for somebody that has gotten his license just 5 months ago. And I have not really a clue what I'm doing, never traveled with a motorbike. I have some experience camping, I've done quite a lot of hiking, but this is not quite comparable to it. In the next few days I'll be doing the final preparations, and I'll just have to confront the fact that I think I'll never feel quite ready. People ask me a lot in these days, like, oh, do you feel ready for it? I'm like, not really. I think I am, if I look at the facts, but you're never gonna be truly able to cover everything. Yeah, we won't be prepared for everything, so I'm just trying to accept it. So I'm not sure how much I will be posting, because to be honest I learned my lesson in the past and I want to make sure I stay present in the moment, and I want to make sure that this editing on the road, sometimes in difficult conditions, won't take me a lot of time and a lot of stress. And yeah, that I just stay present in the experiences that I'm living. And this YouTube channel, the videos that I'm going to be putting here, they're very much aimed at my family and friends. It is my way of keeping them updated and showing them a little bit of what I'm seeing and what I'm experiencing, to whatever degree is comfortable to share and to capture. So don't expect a lot of videos, don't be surprised if there will only be a few. The general public can watch this, but you're not my target audience, just so you know. That said, I still know a trick or two about making videos, so I think it'll be worth watching. I think there's going to be some cool stuff on it. I'm also going to set up a Polar Steps. The link of that is going to be, I guess, in the description of the video, easy to find. And I think this is the part then where I ask you to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, but I generally don't care, do so if you wish. I think that is literally everything for now. I just want to keep this short and concise, and I'm going to try my best to do this for all my videos, no more 20-30 minute long edits. So thanks a lot for watching. I'm going to enjoy my rent, because that's literally all I can do right now, not even the furniture. I can enjoy my rent. And I'll see you in the next episode, which will probably be already on the road. God knows where. Ciao, ciao. Why does it not turn off?